Oh, I like that.
Aw, that's cute! But I want a real one to hug.
How long have you been playing music for?
6 years, 6.5 years.
And how long have you been in LA for?
6.5, 7 years.
Appropriate.
I moved out here to be an actress. And then fell into this somehow, so that's what happened. It's kind of where I find my stride. 3 days of not showering. It's my sweet spot.
Perfect.
That's what we're gonna do.